Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're unboxing the 2020 F case. I cannot believe we are already up to F case for 2020. This is absolutely unbelievable. All right, big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now, I tell you, I have been waiting for this case in particular for quite some time. It's got some really cool castings in it. Cannot wait to get them out and show you what they are. Oh, look at that. I can see some pretty cool ones in there already. All right. So what do we got here? First three out of the case. We've got that wheelie chair. We've got Geo Terra, new for 2020. You know what? I actually thought this was an international case, but it is the US case because this comes on the US case. That's pretty cool. And we've got that Turbone Charged. Nice. Okay, pretty cool here. We've got the Range Rover Velar. This is a carryover, and that is cool. Very happy to have a few more of those. The 88 Honda CRX. We just opened the Super Treasure Hunt version of that car. And the Carbonator. All right, what else is here? Oh, we've got another one of the Audi RS5 Coupe. That is a carryover. We've got Runway Rescue, also a carryover. And we've got I Believe with a special feature. Wonder what that special feature is. I'm not too sure what it is. Probably this just comes off, but we'll check that out when we open it up. Okay, next three. We've got more of that Nissan Silvia. Very happy people will be. There will be plenty on the pegs. Got the Land Rover Series 3 pickup, and that is a nice recolor there in the Baja Blazers. And we've got another I Believe. So we've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. We've got a Tooligan, and we've got the Locomotorin. This was really highly anticipated. You can see there it is the Thomas and Friends crossover with Hot Wheels. It's best for track, that means it's a track star, so I cannot wait to check it out and see how it goes. Very, very nice. Pretty cool. Oh, here's another one coming up. We've got that 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback. We've got a Baja truck. But this one, this is cool. The Mattel Dream Mobile, car 6 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage for 2020. Brand new casting for 2020. Awesome looking car. Cannot wait to open that one up. Not sure it'll work on the track, but very cool looking car. Very nice. I'd like to get a couple of those, to be honest. We've got another 65 2x2 Mustang Fastback. That Tesla Model 3 recolor, very, very nice car. And we've got La Fasta in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. There's a lot of carryovers, to be honest. This is the 69 Chevelle in the Tuned series. That's a carryover. The Baja truck again. And we've got Fished and Chipped Hot Wheels Art Cars. Pretty cool. I do like that casting. So we've got the Donut Drifter carryover. And this is what everyone else is waiting for, the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version in the Hot Wheels Turbo series. That recolor in red is very, very nice. Take a look at the decals on the front there. Is it decals? Yeah, it is. For the headlights, we've got the rear lights there as well. Very nice red color. And those gold wheels go very, very nice with this color. Pretty cool. And we've got that Diaper Dragon. This would be the Super Treasure Hunt, if it was a Super Treasure Hunt, I think. The Mazda RX-7. Very nice car. I like the white disc wheels on this one. Pretty cool. We've got another Tesla Model 3. Won't say no to that. And we've got the Aisle Driver. I'm really not sure that this would work on the track. Like, it's so high. Would maybe not just work on my track. Ah, cool. This is a recolor. The 2005 Ford Mustang. I really like this one, and those two different wheel types look cool. That green color is awesome. Very happy with this recolor. Very, very happy. We've got another Runway Rescue, and we've got another Fished and Chipped. Ooh, we're down to the bottom of the top layer. Road Bandit, the recolor there. I think it looks actually quite nice in this red color. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Got that Hot Wheels Warp Speeder from the Trackstar series. And we've got that Honda Monkey Z50 or Z50 from the Honda series. I'm not a fan at all of that one. All right, let's move this dividing board. Oh, what's in here? Very, very excited. It'd be so nice to pull the Chase ID car, but I doubt that's going to happen. I'm not that lucky. 2 cases in a row. We've got that Gruppo X24, very nice yellow color there. We've got the Land Rover Series 3 pickup again, and we've got that Indy 500 oval in the Hot Wheels Speed Blur series. Only 5 cars in the Speed Blur series for 2020. There was 10, I think, last year. Okay. So we've got that 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. It's been popular. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. We've got another mod rod that was a carryover, but that is fine. It is a very nice casting and a very nice color. And we've got that 2018 Coppo Camaro SS in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. This is like 4 cars from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series in this case. Very, very nice. That is just so cool. Very nice. Okay, so now we've got the high-tech missile, very good track car. Got another mod rod, and we've got the Aeropod. Have you seen the treasure hunt yet? Have I missed it? Have I not been paying attention? I don't even know what the treasure hunt is for this case, to be honest. That's very bad of me. We've got the clip rod. We've got that 87 Dodge D100. The color on this is very nice. It's very similar to the Time of Taxi, but the color here is really, really cool. Very nice car. I think that'll be popular, that one. And we've got that Time of Taxi. We pulled that as the ID chase car out of the previous case, which was pretty cool. We've got the Batmobile here in gold. Very bright and shiny. We've got a second 70s Volkswagen Beetle Baja Bug. Got that 69 Chevelle. Okay, now we've got the 95 Mazda RX-7 in the Turbo series. This recolor is really nice. It's so much better than the orange one we got in the first place. And those little, like, what are they? Copper chrome wheels. Very nice there. We've got a clip rod and we've got the quick bites. Very nice. The 49 Ford F1. This is a popular casting. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. I do like that one, and this green color is pretty cool. We've got that circle tracker. See, the 75th anniversary of Mattel. Pretty cool little, thing to see there on the car. I do like that one. And we've got another quick bites. Gee, getting to the bottom here. Another 49 Ford F1. We have a Chill Mill, and we've got El Viento. Another El Viento. We've got another Range Rover Velar in that black, really nice car. And here we've got that 64 Chevy Impala in that nice red color in the Toon series. Pretty cool. I say everything is pretty cool. It's probably annoying for you guys. All right, the 88 Honda CRX. We've got Octane. That's a pretty cool green color. And we've got the Formula E Gen 2 car in the Hot Wheels Race Day series. Cool. Almost at the bottom, we've got that Geo Terra. We've got another circle tracker, and we've got another Locomotorin. And at the bottom of the case, we have Tooligan, another Formula E Gen 2 car, and we've got the Audi RS5 Coupe to round out the case. Alright, now if you enjoyed that video, give a big thumbs up because that really helps my channel, but also don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now let's just take a look at some of the highlights for me from this case. So the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version recolor here is definitely one of my highlights. It's a very nice car. I really liked it in blue, but this red is beautiful. I think another one I will have to mention, although a recolor, is that 95 Mazda RX-7 in the Hot Wheels Turbo series. Again, another nice recolor, perfect for that car. The circle tracker is pretty cool because it's for the 75th anniversary of Mattel. And speaking of the anniversary, I think making this Mattel Hot Wheels Dreammobile car is very cool as well. So we'll give a little bit more detail behind that one when we open it up. So again, that is a nice looking car. Oh look, this is broken. I think this Thomas Loco Motoring is going to be very popular with some young kids. I'm not sure about collectors, but it is a pretty cool car for the case. Sorry, I've got a few I wanted to mention, I think. The Dream Garage had 4 good cars in this case, like I said, but definitely these two, again, recolors, the Coppo Camaro SS and the 2005 Ford Mustang, both beautiful cars in this case. And I also want to shout out to that Mazda RX-7. Although it is not the Super Treasure Hunt, when I do get one, I will open them together and we will check them out side by side. But this is a pretty awesome looking car. Those white disc wheels are really cool. All right, everyone, big thumbs up. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Thanks for watching.